Good afternoon. Trucks are hooked up. That means one thing, this one's wrapped. Got all the grading done. Curlex in, straw, seeded and limed everything. We added topsoil all around the badly disturbed areas. Man, this one turned out nice. All the colors blended great. Big shout out to the pool doctors and Elk Valley Electric doing their parts on this one. Pool is awesome. He's got to come back and do some cleaning on it where we got a bunch of dust in it, but that's nothing major. Just part of construction. So everybody have a happy Labor Day weekend. If you want something like this, get in touch with us. Get on the schedule early so you can enjoy it before Labor Day of next year. Only one thing we have to do now. Enjoy this thing. We can help you out with this. Give us a shout, riverscapeswv.com.